So in this Inkscape tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to change the background color here in Inkscape. So when I'm referring to the background, I'm referring to the page right here. So the page is white and the background around that is gray. If you want to change that, it's super simple. Once your Inkscape is opened up, I want you to go to the top left area and select File, and then go all the way down and press on Document Properties. On the document properties page, if you want to change the page color, so the white area in the middle, go ahead and press on page. Now you have the color wheel right here. So if you wanted to do that, you can go ahead and select a color. So if you wanted to make it like a light blue, you can go ahead and do that. And then you can go ahead and just press on the X right here. So if I were to go ahead and move this right here, oh, my bad, you can go ahead and do that. So there you go, the background color of your page is now changed. Now if you want to change the gray area around, it works the exact same way. Where it says desk, press on that, and then select a color right here of what you want to change it to. So if you wanted to make the desk red, I don't know, just like that, that's your masterpiece right there. Now your background is changed just like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how to change the background color inside of Inkscape. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.